Hey, what's up, guys? It's Trev here from ProfitableWebPages.com. And so I'm here just to show you guys a quick little, tutorial about Divi and, basically how to use the basics of Divi. It's really not hard at all. I know a lot of people want to use Divi for landing pages as well as maybe even substituting for their Shopify stores because just like myself, I used to have a Shopify store that I paid for, and I found out that I can just basically build my own store from scratch just using Divi, and that's exactly what I've done here. So therefore, I no longer need to pay a monthly fee for Shopify because I have completely built it right here for myself. And as you can see, the menu. Hold on, let me just exit the visual builder right here. And as you can see, this entire page right here looks just like what my store used to look like on Shopify. I've completely built this from the ground up, and I thought that it would be a good substitute for what I used to pay monthly for, and now I no longer have to pay a monthly fee because of it. And so as you can see here, I have built the very bottom, this right here showing the payments that we receive, as well as the menus and the footer here, and the 25% off and the testimonials and pictures and everything like that. And so I just wanted to show you guys how easy it was to customize just about everything on this page here. So as we go right back into the visual builder here, you can see I even put this bar at the top. Now, many of these things on this web page you have to actually download an app for. If you are on a website or a platform like Shopify, you would have to download an app or a plugin, just to put, something like this at the top showing that free 4-day shipping. And as you can see here, everything on this page is completely customizable, even this right here. So no longer do you need any apps or plugins that may slow down your website. So as you can see, I just went ahead and pressed the edit button on here, and I just simply added the emoji symbol right here of an airplane and put 4 free day track shipping on all orders. And for the background, I simply turned it red. I can easily turn it green, blue or purple or anything like that, in which, that may be a good color for the theme of this website, as you can see. So I'll go ahead and I'll leave that purple. But at any point in time, I can go ahead and change for, 4-day track shipping to 3-day track shipping. As you can see, it's just that simple. And if I want to keep it, I can just go ahead and press this check mark button. But if I just want to reverse it and go back to the way things was, I can either press this X right here and nothing is going to change, or I can just simply press that check mark and everything saves just as so. As well as here, and you may even notice that there's 2 elegant theme logos here. And I created this because for those who do not want a menu, let's just say you want a landing page, right? And you don't want a menu, you serve your customers without a menu, you don't want any distractions. You can simply just erase this right here, just like that, and there you go. You have yourself one single logo. And I left that there, just like I said, because there's people who would like a menu. So as I go back here, I can redo what I've just done. And for those who don't want a landing page, you can just delete that, and there go, that would be your logo right here on the left hand side. And you may be wondering, well, what's all of these inside of here? And this is simply just your links to your page, and and where those take you and where they go. That's all that is right there. And here you go. You got your title and your video, which would go here. And this is simple. You can obviously change your title the same way we changed it at the very top with the bar right up here. And right here with the video, you can simply press settings on there, and you can instantly change your video. You can change your overlay of what you want it to show, just like how it says WordPress Game Changer. You can actually change that to whatever you want it to be. You can change your background, obviously. The many cool things you can do with Divi here. And right here, I just threw in an as seen on. Now, a lot of you might be as seen on TV. Some of you may be as seen on this person's podcast or this person's video or this person's Instagram. You can just simply add those inside of here. I simply got this from Canva. I just created this in Canva. I'll leave the Canva link down below for you guys. And maybe in another video, I'll talk about how I created this. But this is a simple picture that I put together. And I created this right on Canva and took this and placed this here. So this is really just, a picture that I just slapped right in the middle right here. And, this right here, if you just basically have a single page website and you're only selling one product, or maybe you might be selling two products, right? Because I got two of these right here. If you're just selling, one or two products, for those who don't have, a crazy marketplace or nothing like that, that's what this is for. You can simply just change this title just like this and change it to, anything you want. Actually, we'll just go ahead and change this like this. Triple tap it and you can put, NFT, marketplace product, right? Or, you're not selling NFTs, maybe you're selling, let's see. Oh, hold on. I done lost the. There we go. Let's just say you're selling bug be gone juice, as if it was some sort of, bug spray to get rid of the bugs for people in the summertime or whatever the case may be. This would be the product title of your product. And you would simply just put the image of the product right over here. And if I press X, it's going to revert back. And you just put the image of the title of the product right here. It could be the bug juice, or it can be, whatever, maybe dog leashes or whatever you sell. Or even if it's like coaching or real estate, you can actually put, your product of your coaching or your real estate product or ideas or whatever you're trying to offer to the people. You can actually put that product right here, and this button right here is meant for them, obviously as a call to action for them to take action on your website for whatever product that you may be selling. And this right here is the same exact thing. Now, as you can see, there's two of them here, but for those of you who are selling one product, all you would have to do is simply just, delete this entire thing. So if I just deleted that whole thing, voila, this just turned into a one product page now. And of course, you can go on and on and on about your product and talk about it and add more to it and whatever the case may be. So we'll just revert that back. And as we scroll down here, this is just some more, mentioning about the product that you might be selling. There's just a title here. Maybe you can say, but there's more, or maybe you can say, it also does this, so, that's all that's for. And again, everything in here, you can just completely delete it. I remember when I was on another platform such as Shopify, you wasn't able to delete or really edit every single thing on a template, that you just paid $200-$300 for. And it sucks because you really want to make it your own, but it is what it is. But the greatest thing about Divi is that you can absolutely create it from the ground up just the way you want it. And it's absolutely awesome, which is why I'm showing you guys this video. So as we scroll down, you can actually see this is another product here. And you guys wouldn't believe it, but this big old thing right here is nothing but a big picture. And that's pretty cool, right? Because it just tells you more about the product, right? And you don't customize anything here. Now, I can absolutely create this myself, right? I can actually create just the same way I did it up here. Just the same way I did this and put a button here and that text over there. I can do the same exact thing over here. But I just found it easier to just slap that in there as a picture so you guys can just get the idea. Okay, and as we scroll down, I see I have another title. Now, this is for like those who have a collection of products, those who may be transferring from the Shopify website and say, hey, Trev, I like that idea of not paying every month. I like your webpage there. let me see the ideas of it, or let me see if I can mimic that and bring my stuff over to a web page like this. That's exactly what this is for. Okay. So this is like if you have a collection of products, you sell A, B, C, and D. You can simply use something like this. And I just have two of them here because obviously if you have the top two people are buying, you definitely don't want to show 6 things, right? You just want to show the 2 main things that people may be more interested in than buying anything else. So I got these 2 products right here, and it's as simple as pressing this settings button and changing the picture to whatever you might want it to be. So as we scroll down, this is also, for those who sell in multiple products, product 1, 2, 3, and 4. Of course, you can delete this whole thing and completely make that one product, or you can delete one of these and make this one product. It's completely up to you because this page is completely customizable. I also have a divider right here, if you guys can see. So absolutely, once again, this is completely customizable. You can just take this and you can completely delete it, right? Or I can go in here and I can say let me see, the design, the line design. And as you can see, it's like a little bit transparent, but let's say I wanted to make it purple, right? And that's more like a dark purple. But let's say I wanted to make it a more light purple, right? You see what I'm saying? You getting the idea here? So and that's absolutely gone, absolutely transparent. And I can just change this to whatever colors I want to change it to. So it's really honestly that simple. We'll revert that back. And then as you can see down here, I got to listen to the customer, some little bit of testimonials. And the great thing about this, you can go ahead in here and and change this to whatever the testimonials that you're receiving from your customers. Is really, really that simple. And if you have more than one testimonials, guess what? Bada bing, easy, right? Just double that and just start, customizing and making as many testimonials as you're getting from all of your customers. So that as well is pretty convenient. And as you guys can see, I just tripled that in less than 5 seconds. So that's the really the cool thing about Divi and this profitable web page here. So as you guys can see, I also have a get 25% off, another way of incentivizing your customers to give you their email so you can do further business with them on the back end. I actually made this for you guys. It's really simple to change the colors here. So you can scroll down here and you can change all of the words that you want. Subscribe to get your free offers. The buttons could say subscribe. The button can also say join now, whatever you guys want, right? You can change the button color, you can change the button shape. It's completely up to you. You can change the button font. It's completely up to you guys, right? And if we were to press not the green one, but if we were to press this one, and let's go to designs. Nope, it wouldn't be in designs. Let's go to background and see, here's a little purple background. We got blue, we got purple. Looks good at purple, also looks pretty good at blue as well, and red. So you can change that however you guys want to change it to. And as well as the menus down here, we have the footer menus, and all of these menus is completely customizable, guys. Look at this, right? And I have here hello at whatever website that you offer. So this is also completely customizable. You don't even have to have none of this row here if you don't want it here. Or if you're really getting crazy with it, you might want to just turn this whole thing into a landing page. It's just that simple, right? Now, if you was on a platform like Shopify or some other platform, mentioning Shopify because it's the first thing that comes to my head. I used to deal with it in the past. You used to have to pay for an app in order to turn your website into a landing page, and it was like really annoying because not only are you paying what $29 a month, but now you have to pay for another app as a monthly fee just to do what I just did in seconds, right? I just completely deleted that, and I just turned half of my web page into a landing page. And if I wanted to do the same thing with this, guess what? Now my web page is a complete landing page. I have absolutely no title at the top, and I have absolutely no footer at the bottom. My whole thing just turned into a landing page just that quickly. So I just wanted to show you guys a quick tutorial, a little demo, or just like a little basic thing of how to how to work Divi really, like, and how customizable it is. In future videos, make sure you guys subscribe first off and give me a like, okay? Also really important, if you guys want to be able to have this very landing page, like, or this very marketplace page, or the page that we started from the beginning before I deleted everything. And of course, I can always go back and reload everything back up, as you guys can see. See that? Hey, everything is back. Everything back to normal. So honestly, if you guys want this very page, I will leave the link down below. I'm giving to you absolutely free. All I ask is that you tell your friends and tell everybody that you know who's awfully paying a monthly fee in order to sell their products online. Just tell them, hey, give them the heads up. Say, hey, listen, this guy giving out this free web page. Won't you come on in and try it, right? I mean, listen, I'm giving it absolutely free. So the link is down below. Go ahead and click that link and go ahead and get your profitable web page down below, guys. It's really simple and easy to edit and customize to your liking. Like I said, coaching, real estate, if you sell products, if you sell one product, you sell multiple products, it's completely up to you and it's completely customizable, guys. I've done all of the work for you. All you have to do is come in here and swap the text. Like, look how simple this is. I don't even have to press the settings button. You can literally just swap the text, right? And done. Look at that. You don't even have to press the settings button here. You can literally just swap the text just like I showed you, right? So literally, it's really simple. Just swap and go. Swap the pictures, swap the text. Everything is already completely laid out for you guys. So if you guys want this, you can just go ahead. I'll leave the link below. Go ahead and click that link. Go ahead and get yourself a free copy of my profitable web page. I also got a video after you download it telling you exactly how to upload it onto your site with Divi. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me if this video helped you guys out or give you some sort of insight as to whether you can use this for your business. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out, and I'm gonna holler at y'all later.